Django, reverse accessors for foreign keys clashing. I have two Django models which inherit from a base class. Request has two foreign keys to the built-in user model. For some reason I'm getting the error. Reverse accessor for analysis. Assign underscore user clashes with reverse accessor for inquiry. Assign underscore user. Everything I've read says that setting the related underscore name should prevent the clash, but I'm still getting the same error. Can anyone think of why this would be happening? Thanks.
The related underscore name would ensure that the fields were not conflicting with each other, but you have two models, each of which has both of those fields. You need to put the name of the concrete model in each one, which you can do with some special string substitution.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.